Creating a healthy landscape takes work. It requires regular maintenance, dedication, care, and commitment. In a way, tending to your yard is a little like managing stress. Stress is like menacing weeds that can overrun your thoughts, choke out your passions, and keep you from thriving. To truly flourish and grow, it's important to mindfully navigate the stress in your life, just as you would devote time to your lawn and garden. Invest in yourself, nurture your mind and body, and be patient. Plants don't grow or blossom overnight. Hi, I'm Dr. Dittoe. I'm a cardiologist with the Florence Warmwald Heart and Vascular Institute at St. Elizabeth. Stress is a part of everyday life, but it becomes a problem when it starts to take over your life. It's no secret that chronic stress can take a heavy toll on your body and have a negative impact on your health, including your heart health. Learning to identify the stressors in your life and then developing healthy, mindful ways to navigate these is the key to stress management. Well, stress can affect your heart in multiple ways. Number one, stress hormones are released and the body is placed in fight or flight mode. This is not good for the heart. Long-term stress can impact the heart by increasing your blood pressure, raising inflammation, which can cause a lot of different problems, and it can trigger irregular heart rhythms. Over time, stress can increase your risk of a heart attack or a stroke. Yes, stress can definitely stimulate unhealthy behaviors. Some people will stress eat, meaning eating too much, usually unhealthy foods, to try to cope with their stress. Some may smoke, drink alcohol, or use drugs to try to escape stress. Others will spend too much time watching TV, playing video games, or scrolling through social media. All of these behaviors are unhealthy by themselves and can lead to less sleep, which can cause a lot of other heart problems. Well, life can be hard. There are many triggers that increase stress in people's lives. Some examples would be chronic illness, financial problems, work demands, personal relationships, or being a caregiver. These are just a few examples, but there are many more. I think keeping a stress journal is very helpful. You can jot down the things that cause you to become stressed and document your body's responses to stress. Talking with friends and family members can also help. They can help identify your stress triggers, but sometimes your stress triggers can be difficult to pinpoint. If you are having problems identifying these, it may be useful to speak with a medical professional to help you understand your personal causes of stress. Well, I like to think about what I call the 3 R's. The first R is for recognition, recognizing that you are stressed and what is triggering your stress. Once you're able to recognize your stress triggers and your source of stress, you can start to manage them. The second R is for resilience. Building resilience means strengthening your body and mind so that they are better able to handle stress. Important components of building resilience include exercise. Even 20 to 30 minutes of walking a day can release endorphins, which can help reduce stress. Exercise also has many other health benefits. Good sleep habits. You should aim for about 8 hours of sleep a night. Try to have a regular bedtime and avoid too much TV or screen time before bed. The better rested you are, the better your body can handle stress. And finally, good nutrition habits. Try to eat more fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Eat less sugar, processed food, and takeout. The third R stands for relaxation. There's good evidence that even short periods of relaxation can help you reduce your stress. There are many techniques available, and you can find one that works for you. Some people like to practice meditation, others will listen to soothing music, still others will use muscle relaxation techniques. You can experiment with different techniques and find which ones work well for you. Practice some deep breathing exercises. A simple technique that I like is the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Do this for 5 minutes a day when you feel stressed. It can help calm the nervous system, reduce your heart rate and stress hormone levels. You can also schedule worry time. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes daily to write down your stressors or triggers. During this time, you can list what's bothering you and try to figure out some solutions for controllable issues. Remember, you can't control every source of stress. It's important to identify the things that you can change and the things that you can't. After the 10 or 15 minutes is up, postpone any more worry. You're done for the day. This helps you contain your stress and prevents it from overwhelming your day. Try to get 30 minutes of moderate exercise a day outside of work. Walking, biking, running, yoga, or cycling are all good examples. There have been multiple studies that show that exercise outside the workplace is more helpful and beneficial for your physical and mental health. Thanks for taking time to learn how to reduce stress. Just remember, it's okay to take a break from time to time and focus on you. The lawn can wait. Check out the other segments from the St. Elizabeth Take Time for Your Heart program to discover more tips on lowering your risk for heart disease.